Hi Sagittarius, no, welcome po sa inyong reading. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. And para po sa mga bago, don't forget to hit the like button. Click the subscribe button as well. Comment po kayo kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa kabilang channel that is Pabaylan TV. No? Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So you're very much welcome to join the live sessions. And let's start, Sagittarius. So, Sagittarius, ang nakikita ko dito, parang merong sense of urgency, no? Itong person natin. Parang sinasabi ng person natin na kailangan gumawa ako ng paraan para maipakita ko, no? Ma-express ko kay person na talagang mahal ko siya. Para kasing nakakita ko dito ng medyo matagal na kayo nagsasama or matagal mo na siyang kakilala. And I think that your person here would love to put the connection into another level of commitment, no? Meron siyang hinahandang surprise sa iyo, Sagittarius. It also felt like kailangan kong magmadali. May hinahabol yatang time, no? Itong si person natin. Ang nakikita ko din dito is papunta itong connection into something really serious in the future, no? So hindi lang ito para sa ngayon. So ang nakikita ko dito, Sagittarius, is more of itong relationship na ito is magtatagal. I'm seeing more of a future rather than the present. Kasi your person here is planning, no, either to cohabitation or living in together, no, cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. With the Nine of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Empress, it felt like, satisfied naman talaga itong si person natin sa atin, not just because of kung ano yung itsura natin kasi that's given, no? Sagittarius are very attractive person inside and out. But it felt like there's something also here na probably ginawa mo, no? I think Sagittarius to the smallest move of nagpagupit tayo, nagpakulay tayo ng buhok, no? Either nag-gain tayo ng weight to look better or for our health, or lose weight, for health purposes or aesthetic purposes. Ang nakikita ko dito, whatever you did, it felt like na-entice si person at na-attract si person ng gusto to make him decide, no, or to make your person decide na panghabang buhay na to. It's more than just the sabihin nating surface, no? It's more than just the surface na pinapakita natin towards our person. It's also there's something that we change within. Ito siguro yung naging mature tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng mga sabihin natin na dreams, goals in life, and I feel like na-attract si person dahil you're no longer, sabihin natin, the childish Sagittarius. So your person seen you grow, no? Again, maturely. Well, pwede yung physical din, but this is more of maturely. The Seven of Wands and the Hangman. So ang nakikita ko dito, ayaw lang maging very vocal, no? Nitong si Sagittarius, nitong lead person, dahil ang nakikita ko dito is mas gusto niya action speaks louder than words. So more on gawa, no? More on ipapakita ko, and I'm going to show Sagittarius how much I wanted him or her or they, no? kung ano man ang pronouns niyo, no? What I am seeing in here is parang nakita na ni person ang taong para sa kanya, 'no? Parang inopen niya yung box, yung idea na, "Uy, itong si Sagittarius talaga ang, tanggap ko, 'no? Matatanggap ng pamilya ko na para sa akin." 'No? With the Knight of Wands, the Three of Swords, and the Four of Coins. So, ang nakikita ko lang dito, siguro hindi lang masyadong vocal si person. Pero when it comes to sabihin naman nating mga gawa, no? Kung gawa lang din naman, kung actions nandoon. Kasi ang hirap ng puro gawa. Sometimes masarap din naman mapakinggan, no, na I love you, no? Kumain ka na ba? Um, Pagod ka ba? Gusto mo ba ng ganito? No, yung nilalambing tayo through words. But I think that this is more of not them, no? Yung parang sabihin natin maging vocal. Pero when it comes to gawa, kung bubuksan natin ang isip natin, makikita natin yung mga actions nila is about care, no, for us. And I think na napaka-serious nito the person na kumbaga yung mga actions niya kasi is leaning towards the future talaga. So, kumbaga sa kanya, itong nangyayari ngayon, it's already given. What I am preparing is for our future. No? Sometimes it hurts you dahil siguro hindi mo naririnig yung sinasabi nga na, "Uy, I love you, ha?" Siguro hindi mo rin naririnig masyado na yung kumbaga lambing, feeling mo medyo cold siya when it comes to words. Pero kung titignan natin yung mga actions niya, no, this is more of them thinking of a future talaga with the temperance and the three of coins. I think what needs for a Sagittarius here to practice is um parang yung more of tingnan natin yung actions rather than yung mga naririnig lang natin or yung wants natin, no? With our person. I feel like your person has a lot to offer. Maybe not now, hindi niya yun pinapakita, pero in the future. With the Wheel of Fortune and the Hermit, see, what I am seeing in here, this is a long-term commitment. And I think that your person is preparing not just for a long-term commitment, but a long-term commitment full of abundance as well. So, kung medyo nagkukulang si person, no, Sagittarius, ng mga words, or your person's very busy as of the moment, pagpasensyahan nyo na dahil ang kanyang isip ay nasa future and yung kumbaga yung pagsasama ninyo. Kumbaga, nandito yung love, yun, love ain't enough. Yung parang sasabihin niya, "Uy, um, hindi naman palaging labing-labing, no? Hindi natin pwedeng ibenta ang love at bibili tayo ng bigas, no? Pagbilan ng 1 kilong bigas, anong bayad? A finger heart." So, hindi ganon. More unrealistic si person, kaya masyado siyang focus sa trabaho dahil gusto kanyang bigyan ng comfortable life. When things happen, at yung nangyari na talaga itong sinasabi nating situation na mabubuo, no? Or bubuo kayo ng family perhaps, or magsasama kayo, or kung nagsasama na kayo, lilipat kayo ng bagong place, no, na much comfortable. And kumbaga, ino-offer niya lahat ng pagod na ito for you, no? So napakaganda ng reading. Medyo nagtatampo lang ng konti si Sagittarius dahil sa mga pagkukulang, no, ng mga comfort and caress, no? So this is your reading for now, Sagittarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I am seeing baka kapwa Sagittarius, no? Virgo, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Pisces, Scorpio, no? So this is your reading, Sagittarius. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, or hit the notification bell So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron din po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating channel or unang channel catered for our international audiences. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, welcome po kayong sumali no, sa live sessions. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi kayo um, o hindi nyo maabutan itong live sessions, dun po, no, sa comment section dito po sa YouTube, no, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po no, ng video na ito sa YouTube, meron po tayong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information, no? Whether it is, sabihin natin yung question form, no? The payment method, how much is it? And we have a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. No? Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nasa description box din po yan. So this is your reading, Sagittarius. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.